Another festival in the area is expected to draw thousands this weekend. Ashley for the Arts at Memorial Park in Arcadia kicked off last night with a 5K run walk for cancer research. Tonight, the festival will feature music and food for the whole family. This year's event will feature Rock and Roll Hall of Famers Chicago and alternative rock band X Ambassadors. Organizers say that recent storms have not put a damper on the fun.
Luckily, the weather has held out, and we had a little scare on Thursday, but everything has seemed to dry up, and we got all of our entertainment here, and all of our artist booths are setting up currently, and we have a lot of our food vendors that we're able to set up as well. So we're 100% a go.
All right, so far so good. Last year, the organization raised more than $300,000 for different area charities.